Hey DIYers, today's project is something called a scrap buster, and the best part about it is that you only need a really good glue gun to put it all together. Now if you've been following me, then you know I only use Surebonder glue guns because they come in all different sizes and they have glue sticks that come in everything from fabric to glitter. If you're new here, make sure to press the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you're an old friend, then make sure to leave a hello in the comments, okay? All right, let's make a happy, scrappy wreath. Pool noodles are believed to have been first made and invented by Steve Hartman from industrial thermal polymers in Canada's Ontario in the early 1980s. High temperature hot glue melts at 375 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So you don't have to worry about your projects melting in the heat. That's a pretty high temperature. Ribbons were first manufactured in France as early as the 11th century. They were so identified with luxury during the 16th century that English Parliament tried to enact laws saying that only nobility were allowed to wear ribbons. I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the original Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I'll see you next week. Bye.